Okay, so this video is for a quick tutorial on a scrunchie, how I make my scrunchies. I did my work with me video. I did a wide elastic scrunchie, but this is I'm using a thin elastic. This is about 6 mm elastic. I have it a lot in bulk. If you need some, contact me. It's very affordable. Mine is affordable more than anybody online. So if you need some, just contact me. I have it in black, and I have it in black and white. So I'm going to put the link in the description below. I love the white for scrunchies because it's more flexible than the black. So if you want something for scrunchie that will give it a good stretch, you can get the white one. I'm going to put the link to this elastic in the description, and whatever you buy, you get a gift with it. So note that one down. Okay, so we are doing a very quick scrunchie. My version of the XXL. So this is 7 inches, or let me say 60 inches fabric by 7 inches. That is what we are going to use to do. So the first thing I'll do is I'm going to put the two ends together, and I'm going to stitch. I usually put in my label, so I put in my label and stitch it. So I went ahead and cut off the selvage, and so I'm going to put in the elastic, just maybe an inch, and the tag, so the brown tag, so maybe 1.5 inch away from the stitch line. Okay, so we are going to stitch it here. So I learned this style is known as the burrito method of making a scrunchie. So now you see the tag is in here. Okay, so after stitching this together, what you do is, now I always like to do this process with this part close to where I'm starting from, so that it's always easy to find the hole you left. Okay, so I put the side I stick down, it's about maybe 3 inches, then I fold it at the 3 inches end, then I put the side away from the other one, and I hold these two pieces together. You make sure the two stitch lines are lining up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start stitching, making sure what is in the middle is away from the stitch line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure this is away from the stitch line, and I'm going to stitch all the way. Now when I get to this part, I'll pull the one that is in the center. You keep pulling it until you get to the level where you've stitched it all. So I push it inside, bring this one over, and I keep stitching. When you get to the end, you pull it again. Okay, so I've started seeing where I started stitching from. so I won't pull too much. When I get to where I started stitching from, this is it. I'll just leave it there. I won't pull from the inside again. I'll keep stitching. Now you won't stitch all the way to where you started. You leave maybe about 1.5 inches gap that you are going to pull the one inside out from. So I do back stitch to make sure that it will unravel. This is how easy it is to pull it out. You see this, so pull your hand in it and push this one out through the hole you left it. Okay, so we have the tube. What we have to do now is to add the elastic. Now 9 inches of elastic works great for this, so you can just put in 9 inches of elastic, or mostly you can just put the elastic in as long as it is, and when you feel it's comfortable, you just cut it off. But for beginners, I think you cut your 9 inches and feed it in through. That will be easier. So sometimes instead of a pin, you can use this. I bought this on Amazon. I have a couple. I'll leave the link to this in the description below, so that if you want it, you can get it. And whenever you use my link to buy from Amazon, I get some few coins, you know. So if you want to buy on Amazon, you can use my link and I'll be paid something small. So I've put it at the 2 ends because I don't want it to be lost. When it gets in, I can just hold this one and pull it back. When you're using a pin tool, you can do the same. You put one pin at the end and then the other end, so that you'll be on the safer side, not having to retread it again. Okay, so it's out like this now. I'll just remove these, and I have my elastic. I'll tie it. Very beautiful and easy. So wow, Chichi, your scrunchie is very cute. Okay, so this is the reason why I start close to the first stitch line, so that I know where I have to close is close to this line, you see. So this is where I have to close, very small area. I'll just close it and finish. Okay, so the scrunchies are ready. I made 2 of them. Chichi, permit me to name this scrunchie the Chichi Green XXL scrunchie, and it's going to be on my shop. Green is powerful. This year my color is green because green is for financial abundance. So if you want financial abundance and want to always remind yourself of financial abundance, come and order this the Chichi Green XXL scrunchie from my shop and let financial abundance flow to you. This green is this version of green is very beautiful. I personally love it. So Chichi, once again, whenever you see this video, you know this is the scrunchies that were made on this video, that is in your, what am I saying, whenever you see this video, you know that is a scrunchie that is in your house. Once again, I appreciate you for the support. You are awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and let's take this video to 1,000 likes. Please, if you watch this video, kindly like it. If you like it, you are telling YouTube to show my video to other people so that they can also watch it or suggest it to other people. I appreciate you all, and as always, lots of love and light coming from me to you. I love you all. Have a wonderful day. Stay blessed.